Hello everyone. In this problem, we are given an array of integers and we have to find out if the array has any duplicates. The question is quite straightforward and all we need are the constraints to understand what sort of input are we dealing with. The array will have at least one element and can go up to 10 raised to 5. The minimum value will be minus 10 raised to 9 and goes up to 10 raised to 9. Coming to the approach, the first approach to solve this problem is to use hash tables. Hash tables are extremely fast to look up anything in memory, so they make a great way to search for things. We start with storing our elements in the hash table. They are not present, and if they are, we just return true, meaning a duplicate is present. By default, we return false, meaning we found no duplicate elements in the hash table. The time complexity of this approach is O of n, as the lookup in hash tables, aka the dictionary here, is considered to be O of 1, and the space complexity is also O of n. The second approach which can be used in Python is converting the list to set and then comparing the length of both. If they are different, the array has duplicate elements, else there are none. The time complexity here is O of n. To convert to set, you will have to iterate through the list at least once, and checking the elements of the set is still O of 1. Hash tables, so total will be O of n. The space complexity again is going to be O of n, and we are done with duplicates. If you want me to solve more problems like this, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. There are links to similar problems in the description below, and the message of course from this video is please be original. Thank you. Bye.